medicine for your blood clot. And the old, and when you go to go dash your mother now, Dr. Foster fling up the medicine again. And you should have thank God for Dr. Foster. When you go with Omar, Dr. Foster fling down the medicine for Omar again. And when you go down to go after, to go make him dash your tough. Dr. Foster give you white medicine under your blood clot again. That's how you could dash your tough. And thank God for Dr. Foster from down Spanish Town Road, push your blood clot. You think we don't know you. Move your blood, dash your belly blood clot. Remember two no like you don't a drugstore, go make the doctor that wash out blood clot, jam me ball up pitney. And in there two for alley up a pain land. Post you want to talk about bank statement and bank statement challenge. When you put up your bank statement so people can see how much you have. You set the challenge so you put it up first. You put up on scrambled up paper. Nobody can see where it's upon it. Show it off, idiot. You know see about your upper foreign. You're foreign good as. Nasty puss, me know you from Donga 13. Dirty puss. Where your house ever stink. Dirty people, no house ever stink. You can't come, you got foreign now a ton good as. I come style for yard people, but boy, when you want, you can ask. Nobody no want no dirtiness. Move your blood clot and go be the dirty hole and fix your mouth. Your mouth crack like dog, crackhead puss. You can't talk to nobody. Go be the pity them and make them look clean and put up good video because you stay bad and stink looking. And for your boy you do surgery and I show up where you do surgery. We don't see no surgery done. Surgery eat you. Go. Please. To go catch cocky at New Kingston at night time. You know the last time I beat on the blood clot. After now the man going at the hotel go fuck. The man pack it and I run out and the man licking at your blood clot head. See the marking at your forehead up until today. Your blood clot bitch, you can't chat to me. Nobody know want them all for whole clothes the way I show cause you don't look good and your kids are dirty. None of you lot look good. So fuck off, bitch. Life. You're just a cocksucker who got syphilis in your mouth. Two mouth kinda oil to raw puss. Fat like batty. Don't you bury your blood clot. Dirty me a pen symmetry, belly dash with woman. We have 3 pitney out down here, me a pen. Come down here, come look for your pitney them. You know see me see one girl at Jamaica bury your blood clot down here. Murder, why? Dirty woman. One girl. The girl bury your blood clot and this mother not shut your blood clot. Cause you know see you did one do dirty woman dead long time. Wicked woman, look how you chastise your pitney them. Me see up on video of your pitney them a video. You think nobody at Jamaica deal with them pitney so? Wicked dirty woman. You abuse your pitney mentally, physically and emotionally. Dirty woman, you theater about, you don't hear about your upper England at about long time. Fucky puss, we go suck Bogle cocky and go take Bogle. You know see Bogle don't pay a run to go there with Clive Marshall. And when Clive Marshall fuck you out and make you sucking cocky and then you start take Walker dog. See Walker dog not even did I look by you. Walker dog eat you, Walker dog see you come like poison. And that me I tell you, bitch. Bitch, you know see Walker dog say no want you. All you send number go give him now look by you. Him say Pussman done by you. Everybody at Jamaica live good. You know see a pay party we don't hear party and feel nice. Move your blood clot and go look at next cocky to suck. And say they can use cocky juice to reverse the blood clot. Cocky syphilis out of your blood clot, man. Puss, you forgot so you can't argue with Tony Mataran. Cause the boy Tony Mataran have your secret of a blood clot that. Your boy Tony Mataran know the things them boy you. You used to sell pussy at Spanish Town Road puss. I be a little remedy in a Wally bar used to fuck you out and duck you and get $200. And you know see Mataran all run from Ingate more time. Dirty puss. The whole of Spanish Town Road know boy you. Cause you start fuck from Pianland 2 mile the whole works. You fuck Bogle. Bogle make you sucking cocky. And Denise did a friend. Bogle dirty woman. Judge out catches woman. Not old puss. Fucky puss. As me say you up a foreign a go like you a good. Killer Dilla puss. Killer blood clot Dilla. You kill mother and father. Ali. You send the boy a Maxilla prison. Mother and father. You da fucking my man kill mother and father. You Doogie. You Doogie family them hate you. Blood clot. Your blood clot. 13 hate you. Run before you go foreign. Make a drive and them house style out. Nobody no want a dirty clothes for your post. Go bed, go fix your mouth, take your money, fix your mouth. And take your money and fix your hole. So if you can get a man up a foreign. Move your blood clot, every girl at Jamaica live good. So how are you dirty? Killer Dilla post. Killer blood clot Dilla. You kill mother and father. Ali. You send the boy a Maxilla prison. Mother and father. You da fucking my man kill mother and father. You Doogie. You Doogie family them hate you. Blood clot. Your blood clot. 13 hate you. Run before you go foreign. Make a drive and them house style out. Nobody no want a dirty clothes for your post. Go bed, go fix your mouth, take your money, fix your mouth. And take your money and fix your hole. So if you can get a man up a foreign. Move your blood clot, every girl at Jamaica live good. So how are you dirty? Post remember, say you breathe 10 times. Where the other 4 pitney them there. You need to go back for them.